of chicken fry, what is the first dish that comes to mind? Well, for me, I think it's chicken 65. Now, this is a very popular starter or a side dish, and that's what I'm going to show you today. Let's see how we're going to make chicken 65. I have 300 grams of boneless chicken that I've cut up into small pieces for this recipe. Now, the first step is the marination. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything together, make sure all the chicken pieces are coated with the masala. Now I'm going to add the beaten egg. To this add 1 tablespoon rice flour, 2 tablespoons corn flour, just a pinch of food coloring. Now this is optional. If you don't want, you don't have to add this. Mix all the ingredients well into the chicken. So now I've marinated the chicken. The key to this recipe is the marination, which is a minimum of 30 minutes. You can leave it even for about an hour. The next step is to deep fry the chicken pieces. Take a deep kadai, pour enough oil. Once the oil is heated, add the chicken pieces one by one. Deep fry till you get a nice golden brown color. Keep the flame on medium throughout. So now we've deep fried the chicken pieces. The chicken 65 is actually ready. Now I'm just going to garnish it or maybe temper it a little bit, adding a few other ingredients just to give the little punch to the chicken 65. Take a pan, add a little oil, add a teaspoon of chopped garlic, a few ginger juliennes, a few green chilies slit, a few curry leaves, so I'm going to add the fried chicken. Just quickly toss it. Turn off the stove and serve it hot. So we've seen how to make chicken 65. Now it's best done with boneless chicken. You can enjoy this starter and eat it as is. If you like the recipe, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this recipe with your family and friends. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.